So this is an outdoor device. This is a System Sensor SR. This is located outside our Goodwill. And now we have a first gen Firelight BG12 and a System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced P2R. And we have our first fire sprinkler, a System Sensor P2R. Another fire sprinkler on the ceiling. That's an upright model. Another one. This time you can see the glass bulb more closely. So I'm pretty much like this camera. We've got another System Sensor P2R. We'll get to those later. Yep, just like in the other Goodwill, they have the one with a case, but except you cannot see it. So I'm not sure what brand this fire extinguisher is. And we have a emergency light and a fire extinguisher sign. That is the tiniest place to put a horn strobe.
I see.
That is the tiniest place to put a horn strobe. If that were to go off, that would mute someone's hearing. Another P2R model. We got another System Sensor P2R and a older Firelight BG12 model. Same one at the Lake Zurich Goodwill. And we have another set of emergency lights along with the fire extinguisher sign and the fire extinguisher itself. Although it's inside the case, that is an incredibly loud spot for a horn strobe. Another System Sensor P2R. Yeah, this camera touched it. We have a completely visible fire extinguisher over here, and we have some instructions and a extinguisher sign. Another fire sprinkler and another one. Oh, come on, don't lose focus. We got another one here, another 2R. Another fire sprinkler and another fire sprinkler. If you want to see it a little bit closer, just a completely normal intercom playing music and a security camera so that if anybody does a crime, the police will know. Another System Sensor P2R at the customer service and the paying section. I have no idea what it's called. Just a closer look at the customer service one. Here's the fire alarm annunciator in the Goodwill store. There's a sprinkler bell. That is it for our fire alarm tour at this Goodwill in Arlington Heights or Northern Illinois, whatever. So like and subscribe, hit the bell, do all that stuff, and then turn on all notifications. So bye-bye. See you in another video.
Oh, no, te cobró 29.31.